How you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
I'm doing all right.
What's your name?
Greg.
Greg, I'm Chris. Nice to meet you, man.
Jose. You're like, oh, damn. Has that ever happened? Picked the wrong guy?
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
The way these things are.
It's not like that here, man. It's not that cutthroat. You don't get a lot of fake Uber drivers in Savannah like Vegas or something, you know? Like, give me $20. I'll go wherever you want to go.
Please use your seatbelt for your safety.
Not so much here.
You know, the joke is us talking to a friend of mine, and she takes the Uber or whatever, and she's like, oh my gosh, like, I'm so nervous, you know? Like, I want to be awake. I got to know where I'm going and who's driving. Dude, when I get into a car, and this is the part of being a man, I feel like I literally fall asleep. The guy can take me anywhere. I'll be like, oh, are we here?
It's like, where are we going?
Yeah, man, dude.
Nope.
Where that seafood place is.
201 Seafood? 201, yeah, that place there.
Yeah.
Right on, man.
There's a pro wrestling event going on there.
There's a what event?
Pro wrestling. Pro like wrestling.
Yeah. Is it like a local thing, or is it like a...
It's like two guys in the ring and they lock up.
What we have noticed is that the majority of the tourists are older folks, like us, or older.
Where are they going? Coming up on Highway 80 West. I can see the name that tells you the name of the streets.
Yeah, it's pretty smart. You got a cop in front of me and a cop behind me. Be cool, man. Be cool.
Yeah, and if it 10 more minutes, then we'll be there.
10 minutes.
Donuts for 6 months.
Okay, sit back up.
Can you sit in the seat?
Sit back up, please.
Sit in the seat.
And you dropped your vape.
Sit in the seat.
What the?
You chose the front seat for a reason, and I don't know why. I like this moonroof. That's really cool. Is that what you call this?
Have you never been in a Tesla?
Not with this roof.
I haven't seen this either.
Really cool.
Oh yeah, this is nice. No, this is
What do you?
I love Tesla.
What do you call it?
Great.
Is it called a moonroof?
I don't know what it's called. Sky roof, moon roof, Elon roof. I don't know what they call it.
Is it a sunroof or a moonroof?
I have no idea.
Yeah, we ain't too. Yeah, it's at the Savannah Hilton Air NASA Airport. It's on Airway Avenue, like outside of it.
Yep.
It will be where the Doubletree by Hilton Head Hotel, Savannah Airport, and the Country Hotel. And it's, yeah.
That's where I'm thinking.
That's my
No,
time.
it looks good. Okay. Peace.
What?
Don't speak anymore.
Why? We're about 5 minutes away.
5 minutes.
Yep.
Let's go to sleep. Let's go to sleep. Let's close our eyes and go drift.
The ones who do drink, they need to get a Uber back home and hopefully they don't get too violent with the Uber drivers.
They're usually happy drunks.
Yeah.
You don't get too many angry drunks on an Uber call. You get the people that are just like,
It's mainly the women and the men. Yeah, I know.
yeah.
Is this thing safe?
I hope
flipped
so.
over?
I hope it's fine. You're getting me. Why are you getting me to think about stuff like that? I don't know.
Just do a quick test.
Let's do a quick test.
Look at the house.
All right, hang on.
Stop.
about still 5 minutes away.
Still 5 minutes.
Yep.
Nail break.
That was, I don't know. Wow. I cannot wait till
this road.
I cannot wait till I finish the construction.
Yeah. It's gonna turn to the left.
Turn to the right first. Then we turn to the left.
Right.
So basically, when anyone else flips their quarter, if it lands in your box, they have to do the roll, and they have to keep flipping until they get a blank spot and make their own shape. But then, like, at the end, the whole board is full of rules, and they're funny rules.
Oh, so you have to like everything we flip back.
Yeah, you would do, like, eat a dog treat, or, like,
Ew.
tell a secret, or,
Did you
like...
really have to eat a dog treat?
Maybe... Or no, it was a kibble. It was a kibble.
Ew. Oh my god, I think I would have thrown up.
It's better than the salmon ones, though.
I was gonna say, have you tried it? I've eaten dog food before.
I definitely tried the lamb salmon treat, because, like, what's a lamb salmon?
It sounds like you guys have it sounds like you guys have sampled a few dog treats in your time.
We call it lamb.
So somebody's going to like turn that person. Yeah, green light again.
I'm a city rat who doesn't drive, right? Like,
Okay.
I've never really had a car. Well, I mean, I've had cars, but I've never used them. Haven't had a driver's license for the past 2 years because I was living in New York, didn't need one. So, like, me and cars, we do. Have you ever met someone who just, like, no matter how badly they try, they are just not good at driving? That's me.
Yeah. Well, watch out for this truck. This just pulled in for no reason.
It's probably going the same way.
Yeah.
It's fair, you can do that. Motors on it. There's a motor on the front and a motor on the back axle, so they both just go.
Oh,
like-
that's fucking insane! Do it!
You're getting really excited.
Yep, this is it. See what they got.
AEW, look, they got some wrestlers right there.
Yeah,
You want me to let you out,
yeah, sure.
push that right here?
Sure.
Alright, man. If you push that button right there, you push the door out. Have a good night, man. Have fun.